Hey, this is Chef Dude Zero. We have a guest, one of my friends. He's gonna try acting like Miss Swan. Alright, ready? Listen.
Hello? Hello? Yeah, okay. You're the Miss Swan, you know? Okay. Yeah, you know? You're like a man, you sister. You need to move back, you know? Cause I had... Okay, now it's time, okay? Now, okay. Now it's your turn, you know? Okay. You know, I had... And you come. Change your mind like a girl. Change his clothes. And you, PMS, like my bitch, I would know. And you, overthink, overspeak, practically. I should know that you too good for me. Cause you're hot and you're cold, you're yes and you're no, you're in then you're out, you're up then you're down, you're wrong when it's right, you're back when it's right, you're in the door, but I'm not, bitch!